Many customers have been wondering, what's the difference between the Blueparrott M300XT and the Jabra Talk 65? Let's find out right now. Hi, I'm Ixchel, and after looking at both these headsets and further looking into the tech specs, they're almost identical, except for you can download the Blueparrott app to further customize your Blueparrott button. They both have 14 hours of talk time, 300 feet of wireless range, and they can both connect via Bluetooth. The call controls are exactly the same. You have power on, power off, answer, end, volume up, volume down. So the main difference we're curious about is the microphones. That being said, let's get right into the mic test. Please put on a pair of headphones or earbuds so you can have a more accurate test. This is no background noise on the camera microphone. Now switching over to the M300XT. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the Blueparrott M300XT with no background noise. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is office noises on the camera microphone. Now switching over to the M300XT. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is office noises with the M300XT. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is dogs barking on the camera microphone. Now switching over to the M300XT. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the M300XT with barking dogs. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the blender test on the camera microphone. Now switching over to the M300XT. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the blender test on the M300XT. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is no background noise on the camera microphone. Now switching over to the Talk 65. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the Talk 65 with no background noise. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is office noises on the camera microphone. Now switching over to the Talk 65. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the Talk 65 with office noise. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is dogs barking on the camera microphone. Now switching over to the Talk 65. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is dogs barking on the Talk 65. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the blender test on the camera microphone. Now switching over to the Talk 65. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the blender test on the Jabra Talk 65. Testing 1, 2, 3. In our testings, we found that these two headsets are similar, if not the same. The M300XT did perform better by canceling out the background noise, which is surprising. The Talk 65 did seem to have a clear sounding microphone, but what did you think about the mic test? Let us know in the comments below. Overall, these two headsets are almost identical, aside from the M300XT having the customizable Blueparrott button. If you're interested in either of these headsets, we're gonna put a link in the description below and use coupon code YouTube at checkout for an additional discount. If these headsets aren't the right choice for you, please contact us by phone, email, or live chat, and one of our friendly headset advisors will gladly help you with your situation. And if you haven't already, please hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell for more videos just like this. And if you liked this video, please check out the OpenComm UC full in-depth review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.